Episode 1. The Returning. Golden light bathes the rice fields. Smoke from cooking fires rises gently. Faint sound of kuliglig and distant barking dogs. Nervously tugging at its rope. It bleats uneasily. A dark silhouette stands far off at the tree line, unmoving. The sound of a tick-tick, slow, deliberate, growing louder. Blood stains the ground. The goat is gone, rope frayed. Mang Ernesto, 50s, shakes his head. Mang Ernesto, ganito na naman, gaya noong mga kwento ng matatanda. A hush falls over the crowd. Someone mutters, "Old woman, baka bumalik na ang aswang." Liza returns bus terminal. Late afternoon. Liza, 26, in simple jeans and a white blouse, steps off the bus carrying a small backpack and a box of pastries. Her face is tired but warm. She walks through the village road, greeted by familiar faces. Some smile, others just glance, whispering. She reaches her old wooden home, weathered and creaking. Inside, her mother lies weak on a bamboo bed. Liza, "Ma, nandito na ako. Ako na bahala sa'yo." Her mother smiles faintly but coughs. Mother, whispering, "Huwag kang lumabas kapag gabi." Liza brushes it off as superstition. Liza sits outside under a dim kerosene lamp sipping coffee. Mang Ernesto passes by. Mang Ernesto, may kumalat na naman na chismis. May mga hayop na pinapatay sa gabi. Liza, siguro mabangis lang na hayop. Mang Ernesto shakes head slowly. Hindi hayop. Mas masama pa. He tells her about a time decades ago when an aswang hunted the village and how it vanished after the mysterious death of a young woman. The wind howls through the rice fields. The kerosene lamp flickers. Liza hears faint tick-tick, tick-tick outside. She steps out with a flashlight. The beam cuts through tall grass, swaying in the wind. Something watches her, breathing slowly. Liza's flashlight catches two glowing eyes reflecting back at her. Her breath quickens. Suddenly, a dark figure bursts forward through the field. The sound of rushing leaves and snapping stalks fill the air. Liza screams. The flashlight drops. Darkness swallows the screen. To be continued.